Hello there, guys. Okay, this is another video. I'm recording my phone because I can't record on the Xbox thing on my screen for the moment, and I tried to record something here on the studio, but I can't edit the video and stuff. So yeah. Well, guys, this video is about how I do my videos on my computer. Like in my account and stuff. So, oh god. I tried to click. Okay, I guess I hope you're able to see good. I don't know, but this is what I do. I use the X. You might. This is the list you could have. You could have Xbox Studios, Xbox Game Bar. Hold on, let me go to. Oh, I already saw it there. Gotta have photos and Paint 3D. Photos will be your video editor and your 50% of your thumbnail editing. And Paint 3D will be your other 50% of thumbnail editing. Make sure you have this. I'm gonna open gamebar. Hold on, let me take this away. Okay. In here, capture. Here will be your chord, turn on, turn off mic, 30-second last recording, and screenshot. But I can't record not the 30-second. Only can do screenshot. The only thing I can record is when I open some of these apps. And here you got your voice thing. Oh, there'll be more to it when you open an app and there's more audios to it. Here's your voice thing. You can also pin it. When you click off, it will stay here. Or you can take it off and then close off. This is your performance here. Xbox social media. This, but it's gonna add people. Also, you can put music to your background, but you gotta have sure that you oh, it's only for Spotify only, like only works for Spotify. So you gotta make sure you have Spotify open and have a song on standby that you want to play, and you can you put either play or skip thing, and there can be your video. But if you want to make sure that's in your video, you gotta hold on, let me show you this a moment. If you want to have that in the video, you're gonna make sure that your audio recording is all in here. Turn this off because this is just gonna be notifications for you opening a game. It's gonna be annoying at times. And record the background of infinite game. I think you gotta have this both if you wanna hear the game. Like I mean the game and audio from like your music, for your music game and your voice if you wanna do that. If you wanna only have game and your mic, then just put this on there. But it's gonna leave it here, and this is gonna disable all your audio. Notification. Make sure you have like notifications off. I need to configure that. I need to like change that off. The swing part chat pronunciation. This I don't know. I am confused because this is new to it. I really don't know. Shortcuts, to open your game bar, take screenshots, control P, it's my thing that I use. Your widget menu, that's for here. Spotify is there. Accounts. Yeah, all the stuff there. And this is general, I don't know what to use, but take this up. We're just gonna show you tips and take it off. See here. Okay, that's all. For this part, let's see here if there's any other more. Oh, and here, and this button, there's more things. Make sure you have your audio capture Performance, you can if you want to. I'm just gonna turn off media one because I really don't need it. But for me, I only have on is for Spotify performance. That's if you're paying if you turn off. But I think you need requirement for it is audio capture. What, those two. On Spotify if you want to. That's your opinion. Okay, I'm excited with that. And also in photos, when you open photos, gonna be stuff. Make sure to click video editor here, your side. Let me. It will be empty here, so you're gonna click here. But it's gonna click here since I haven't opened video here. Something will pop up here in front of you to rename the title here. But you can press OK or skip or edit it and OK or skip. And if you want to edit the name again, you can press here or just can click here. Then to open the video, you can click here, open from this PC, choose the file you want. It will load depending the how long your video is. Drag it. You can add title card. And here you can trim it, split it, text, motion, 3D effects, filter, speed of your video. This, take away this, like, a clip you selected, you can proceed to delete that clip. Here, just press to finish the video. Custom audio is the audio or music that you have in your files, and background music. From music in the photos, there's non-copyrighted music. Here in the title card, you can put something what it says, like present here, and change the background of this color. But let me delete this since it's not used for me right now. And paint 3D. Let's get the other 50% done thing. If you open, you choose a file. Let me open a file for myself. Yeah, that's if I want to edit this file. You can change stuff, like brush, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, stickers, text, effects. Canvas is this. Basically, you can resize it, but not like that way. If you want to get rid of this, you can. It's just gonna be like this type of thing. But in the photos, you can click away, and it's gonna take away the stuff. Let me undo this. And on canvas here, if you want to have custom thing, make sure you have this off. And you put your numbers here. If you want to. If you want to relate, if you don't know what number to put, then I recommend you taking this off. So you can resize it whatever you want. Let's see here, let me show you what it does if I put this. Actually, never mind. That's the same, but I think they will screw it up when you try to put something like a number thing. When you put the number thing, you make sure you take this off. Let me undo all. It also 3D library. You can choose whatever you want to put. It's space stuff, Earth. It's loading. Just got away, and there's an Earth here. Oops, okay, sorry, I just clicked off recording on my phone. Sorry about that. Well, I hope that was also, I'm used to just too. I was obvious to this for live streaming only. I don't know if I just mentioned this again because I had to make a bunch of recordings, like take, record, and those records were failed. But I only use this for live streaming. But yeah, that's gonna be all for it. I hope you know how to at least. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down the video or also DM me on Discord. Also, there's a aspect ratio for your thing, like for your. Let me open. I forgot to tell you this. In Paint 3D, right? Let me open this for a moment. There's a number recommended for your YouTube to size for your thumbnail because you're gonna add here the number. This is the number close to it, but not the exact number. It's gonna be more digits to it, I think. But I will send the link of what's their thing. Or we'll just put a number then. I will just put the number in the description then. I was just gonna put it in the description. Well, I hope you learn something about this. You know how I do my videos. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you know. I don't know what I'm saying because I'm literally rushing this video on. I don't know why, but well, yeah. I hope you like this video, learn something that I do, and see you next time. Sorry for the background noise.